everyone, welcome back to your channel, The Novel Trading. I am Urvana Kapoor, your trading psychologist and performance coach. This is the second episode of our series, Emotions While Trading. If you haven't watched the first episode, please do watch that too after this. So, today I'm going to discuss about a very common yet a very complex emotion, that is fear. Dar lagna. Everyone knows about fear in trading, but only few understand it, right? So if you want to be one of those, then do watch this video till the end. Before I begin explaining you, let me ask you a few questions. Have you ever wondered why is it so difficult to trade even when you have solid technical and fundamental skills? क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है कि बैक टेस्टिंग के टाइम तो सारे पॉजिटिव ट्रेड्स कैच कर रहे होते हैं, बट when you are in the live market, you're not able to enter the trade, or you enter or exit at the wrong time. And at the end of the day, when you are looking back, you realize it was a very clear trade based on your rules. And you end up being confused that why didn't you follow the rules? Why didn't you catch this trade? Why didn't you make that profit that day? So, if you have experienced this or something similar to this, then do watch this video till the end, as I will be sharing a lot of recommendations to help you control this emotion from affecting your trading decisions. So let us answer the first question, that is, what is fear? Fear hota kya hai? As per the definition, fear is a natural emotional reaction to a perceived threat. दिस थ्रेट कैन बी एनीथिंग. ये किसी भी चीज़ का डर हो सकता है, बट इन ट्रेडिंग इट इज़ द थ्रेट टू योर कैपिटल और योर पोटेंशियल प्रॉफिट्स. Fear and greed are probably the most popular and significant emotions for traders. They are experienced by every trader every day. Many traders even struggle with this, as these emotions can cloud their judgments and they won't be able to apply their hard learned technical skills. When traders experience anything against their analysis, it is natural that they get scared. They may overreact and feel compelled to liquidate their trade or even trade without analysis. This is all a very natural process. Even experienced traders experience these emotions, but over the period of time they have learned how to control these emotions. So I'll be telling you a lot of recommendations that you can follow to actually act like those experienced traders and not let fear affect your decision making. So let us look at the psychological aspect of fear. That what does the psychology say about fear? Psychologically, humans are designed to combat fear by fight or flight. You must have heard of these terms, but let us look at them at what they are and how do they affect traders. Fight or flight response is triggered by the release of hormones that prepare your body to either fight, that is stay and deal with the threat, or flight, that is to run away to safety. जब भी आपको किसी चीज़ से डर लगता है तो आपके बॉडी में कुछ हार्मोन्स ऐसे रिलीज होते हैं जो आपको दो चीज़ें करने पे मजबूर करते हैं. या तो आप उस चीज़ से लड़ते हैं या आप उस सिचुएशन से भाग जाते हैं. मोस्ट ट्रेडर्स ऑप्ट फॉर द फ्लाइट ऑप्शन since they believe they cannot fight the direction of movement of the financial instrument. So they either redeem or liquidate their trades as they think they cannot fight the market. Or they sometimes justify it by calling it manipulation of the market. But successful traders at the same time believe in their system and they fight with the market instead of flight, and hence they are more profitable. So now let us discuss some scenarios where this fear emotion can trigger and make you cause a lot of mistakes. First, fear of letting profits turn into losses. Traders tend to cut winning positions too soon in fear of losing the profits they have already made. Let's understand this with an example. आपने कोई ट्रेड लिया और उसका टारगेट प्राइस 5000 तक सेट किया, but during that trade the market starts becoming choppy around the 1000 rupees. At that moment, you feel this emotion fear and you think that the market is not going to reach to your target, and you feel that you may lose this 1000 as well. So you cut your profits way too soon because of this fear emotion. Second, fear of losing money. This is when traders hang on to losing trades because of fear to book this loss with the possible potential of recovering this loss. This is something which you will see in a lot of amateur traders, which make them end up losing all their capital. That is fear of losing the money. जब उनके मार्केट में लॉस हो रहे होते हैं वो तब भी ट्रेड कंटिन्यू रखते हैं with the hope that शायद लॉस रिकवर हो जाए. But this is not how trading is done. Third, fear of under or overperforming market. This is often present when market has hiked or crashed and traders are reluctant to buy at the bottom or sell at the top. In this scenario, traders often decide not to enter a trade out of fear that the market will go in the same direction. ये कई लोगों के साथ होता है. You must have heard a lot of investors saying कि market जब crash कर रही है आपको buy कर लेनी चाहिए. But there is a lot of fear in every trader and in every investor because जब मार्केट इतना नीचे हुए जाते हुए दिखती है तब आपको डर लगता है कि जब आप बाय करेंगे तो ये और नीचे चली जाएगी. इसलिए वो डर आपको उस अंडर परफॉर्मिंग और ओवर परफॉर्मिंग मार्केट के अंदर ट्रेड करने से रोक देता है. फोर्थली, fear of being wrong. Traders in fearful situation often hesitate in initiating the trade because of fear of making losses or not getting it right. And later, when they miss the opportunity, they regret or even enter late, which give rise to another situation, that is fear of missing out. जब भी कोई fearful situation create होती है तो traders को हमेशा डर लगता है कि उनकी analysis गलत है या उन्हें trade नहीं समझ आ रहा. इसकी वजह से वो बहुत बार उस trade में enter ही नहीं करते हैं because उन्हें डर लगता है कि उनके analysis गलत हैं और वो गलत trade ले लेंगे. Fear of missing out is when traders jump into unplanned trades because they fear leaving money on the table. We have discussed about fear of missing out in another video, so do watch that as well for better understanding. The link to this video is given in the description and also coming on the top of the screen. So here we are at the most important part of this video, that is recommendations of how to control this fear emotion and how to not let it affect our trading decisions, and also ways so that this emotion doesn't make us lose money or make less profits. So the first recommendation that I like to give you is create rules and follow them. Always write your trading strategy in the most elaborative manner possible, step by step process. Make sure that it is as clear as it can be and always stick to it. No matter how fearful the market looks, sometimes it will hit your stop losses too, but don't let that affect your mind. Because if you actually look at the numbers, when you stick to the plan, you may miss a few opportunities, but you will always be profitable. So believe in the numbers and not your emotions. Second recommendation is risk management. Risk management is the most important principle of trading, and we teach this to everyone in our every course. Based on your strategy, always define the capital that you can risk and afford to lose and never exceed that amount. Even if you have to enter a great opportunity apart from your defined rules, then make sure the amount you risk in that trade is within your limit so that even if you lose, it is something you can afford. Third, set proper stop loss and target price. This is another very important recommendation in fear scenarios. That is, always set a proper stop loss and a target price based on your rules and trading strategies. And by setting, I don't mean you just have to note it down. You actually have to place the orders for your stop loss and your target price as well, so that whenever the market comes to that position, it closes itself. And once you have set them, don't let the charts, the candles, the news, the people around you, the traders influence you. Even if the price is going towards the SL, don't end the trade manually. Let it hit that price. At that moment, remind yourself that according to your rules, you have set the stop loss there because the price might make that swing before going in your direction. Similarly, for target price, don't close your trades early. Just because you see a few candles or there is a choppy market, do not close your trade till your target price is met. unless and until your technical analysis is saying otherwise. Always stick to your stop loss and your target price. Never end the trades manually. This is the most common mistake that traders do, is end their trades manually instead of waiting for the stop loss or the target price. Because when you are ending the trades manually, it is 90% of the times because of your emotions and only 10% of times because of your technical analysis or because of some fundamental news. So always stick to them unless and until your technicals or fundamentals are saying otherwise. Fourth, keep learning and do research regularly. The more knowledge you have, the more confident you are, and less threatful you can feel in fearful situations. So, regularly do market research, study your charts, do backtesting, stay updated with news, and do all the industry analysis as well. The more you are aware and informed about the market, it is more likely for you to fight that market when you're triggered with fear instead of running away like most unprepared traders do. Fifth, assess your performance. Always review your trading journals, analyze your returns, update your strategies. It is a changing market. You have to keep updating your strategies. Also, reflect on how updated you are about the market fundamentally and what new knowledge you have gained over that period. All of these will actually help you to correct your mistakes, change your bad habits, enhance your overall returns. Analyzing the numbers will actually show you the actual picture, and hence emotions won't affect you, and all this will make you much more confident, and thus fear won't be able to affect your trading decisions. With this, we come to the end of this session. I hope you must have understood what is fear and the psychological reasons that cause us to have fear, and why do we fight or flight in those situations. I've explained you all the situations or scenarios while trading in which this fear emotion can trigger and cloud your decision making process and actually force you to go against your system. One more pro tip is, don't run away from fear. Instead, try recognizing it and make sure you're confident enough to fight the market based on your strong technical knowledge. If you follow the recommendations that I have suggested, I am sure you will overcome this very simple emotion, fear. If you still face any issues, you can book a trading psychology session with me where I'll give more specific recommendations designed for you in particular. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll keep coming up with more important and popular topics of trading psychology. So do like this video and do subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the bell icon for latest updates of our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to book a personal trading psychology session, do WhatsApp at the given number. Thanks for watching, and see you soon with another emotion to discuss about. Till then, happy trading.